Whiplash on the southern border. Just as Texas was about to start enforcing its own border law after the Supreme Court gave the go-ahead, a federal appeals court slapped on another stay overnight. The law allows Texas law enforcement to arrest and jail people suspected of coming into the country illegally. It also gives judges authority to deport some of them. On Tuesday, the Supreme Court lifted a stay on enforcing the law, while a lower court decides the case on its merits. Within hours, the Fifth Circuit Court once again put the law on hold. Speaking before the lower court ruling, Texas Governor Abbott said the Supreme Court's decision was encouraging because it means the court could eventually rule in their favor.
What it signals is there are 6 votes on the Supreme Court that say it's okay for Texas to go ahead and begin enforcing the law. And so that's a very consequential step that's been taken. It's not conclusive, but it's consequential for now.
The Biden administration calls the law unconstitutional. Immigration experts say it could set a bad precedent.
Essentially, now every state is going to have the green light to go ahead and set up whatever kind of immigration system they want, even if it conflicts with federal law. We don't like this category. We don't like this group. We can charge you as a criminal and order you deported.
Meanwhile, an estimated 3 million migrants have crossed the border illegally under the Biden administration, a crisis that some say can only be solved with the help of God.
We've tried politics, we've tried protesting, we've tried advocating. Now we're going to go back to what we know works, which is prayer, fasting, coming before God, and just knowing that He really is the only hope that our nation and our southern border has.
Reverend Tony Suarez says revival on the border is heating up, and he's scheduled evangelistic events and prayer stops in several border cities over the next few weeks. He's the second evangelist to visit the border this month, following Franklin Graham's Frontiera tour a few weeks ago. For now, Texas hands are tied in their battle over the border crisis. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals will hear arguments on the case today and is expected to end up back at the Supreme Court. Wendy Griffith, CBN News.